Hello friends, welcome to Tech Learn It. So we'll continue our plan. We have done this much till now in the first part of the plan. So in this class, what we need to do is we will first start with the placing of the windows. But before that, I'll put this whole boundaries walls in the wall layer so that it will help us in working with the walls, with the windows and other components. So to place it under the layer property of wall, I have teach you already in the previous video. We need to go to the layer properties. We can create it through this point. This is new layer, alt plus n. I have already created it, so many layers. So no need to create again, but you can try it and watch my video. And then what I need to do is select whole plan, go to the function and select the wall. Okay, so it comes under the wall property, wall layer, sorry, it comes under the wall layer. So if I switch off this wall layer, then whole plan will go off. Okay, so this will help me in working with the wall. Now it's time to make the windows. Starting with L, you can place the windows according to the designs of the plan. It depends on the columns, placing of the columns and designs according to different architectural designs and architecture. So it's a basic plan. So according to this plan, I'll place all the windows in the center of the walls of all the rooms. So my window dimension is approximately 1 meter, 1 by 1 meter. So it's a square window, so no need. So starting with, it's my trick, like how I will make the window. And so you can make your own tricks how you can do to draw anything faster. It may be your trick is more faster than my trick, but just practice it. Okay, so I'll first make the line in the center. I'll show you again. Control Z, I'll enter. I'll search the center. I'll search for the triangle. So here's the triangle midpoint. I'll draw one perpendicular line, straight line. Then I'll take offset O, enter. I'll take offset 0.5 meter this side, from the center 0.5 meter this side. Then if you want one line also in the center, this represents the window. And then if you want complete square window, then press REC rectangle from this point to this point and delete these two extra lines. So this is how we can make the window. Similarly, we can draw everywhere, but in a plain line, we can just copy paste it. To increase the time, CP enter, or you can go for CO enter. So it's again one trick how to copy and paste. I will not go and select it from any point because I am going for the center of the plan. So I will select the center of this window. I have already select the center of this window. Then I'll check for the center of this room, this dining room. This is the midpoint. I'll click. Then I'll go for the center of this drawing room. Mm, For this, you need to remember you don't need to join all the lines. If you join all the lines, you will not able to find the center of each and every point. And also from the object snap settings, you have to ensure that midpoint is on. So similarly with the ortho off, you can copy paste it continuously. CP enter. Now I need to copy it for this side. So this side midpoint I'll find on the inner side. So what I need to do is copy from this end. Instead of left side, I'll copy, select it from the right side. So I selected it from right side. I'll paste it here. For staircase, we don't need window. This is for kitchen. This is also your wish. You can make bigger window for kitchen. There is no window in this side. We have two windows here and here in other direction. So what you need to do is rotate this. RO enter. I have teach you already in one of my video. It's 90 degree. Again CP. Look, I have selected the wrong point this time because of hurry. So I'm not able to select the center. So what I need to do is escape. Again I need to select. Otherwise it will create an error. CP enter. Just precisely select this midpoint from the inner. Select this midpoint. Then again select CP enter. Select this point and select this midpoint. This one. Okay, so here we have one bathroom. For bathroom we have ventilator. So for ventilator, what is the dimension here is DIM enter. From this point to this point is zero point 0.6. Okay, so for ventilator it's zero point 0.6. So we'll go again. You can learn how to make ventilator also. From the midpoint I have drawn one line, straight line. O enter, enter. This side 0.3, half of 0.6. This side 0.3, half of 0.6. Delete this line. L enter. Then you need to draw one REC rectangle from here to here to make it as a single entity. Then delete it through this selection. Ventilator also done. Okay. Now delete this window also. Now next step is select it through the blue color selection, because if you go for green color it will select everything full wall, but we don't need to select full wall. We'll go for blue selection because we need to select windows to put in the layer properties of the window. So I'll select this. Then I'll go to the layer options. It's window. Done. It's in the blue color now. Similarly for ventilator, I have again new layer ventilator. This is also done. Press escape and delete unnecessary things. So this is how we can place the windows and ventilators. If you have any doubt in anything, you can put in the comment box, and please refer all the videos. If you have any doubt, then ask me in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and we'll learn in the next class other components how to make. I'll go step by step so that it will help you and not feel as a burden. It you can enjoy the making of the plan of the buildings. Okay, thanks for watching and share it. Thank you.